This is how to tune to 432 hertz. Some of you might have seen the videos where it says that 432 is better than 440. That's cool if you believe that. It's actually really simple. I read in some YouTube comments today that people were trying to figure out how to tune their guitars to 332. It's actually very simple, but you have to have the right tool. 440 hertz, HZ is hertz. This is what you're gonna want right here. This is your magic button right here. It's gonna take you down. See how I'm clicking it and it's lowering it? If I wanna do it at 432, I'll just click it there. If I wanted to go up to 444, I could do so. Right there, but typically it'll stay on 440 hertz, but we're going to bring it down to 432 and we're going to tune. Now I am tuned in 440, as you'll see here. I'm tuned in 440. That's my low E string there. But what we're going to do is we're going to take it and take it all the way down to 432, and then we're going to retune. Okay. Well, it's not quite in tune there. We gotta tune that. Wow. Settling a little bit. With you, it sounds warmer. But I find my guitar not really wanting to stay in tune too well when I have it tuned there. But I think it would just be a matter of my strings getting used to it. I would basically just have to keep it there, and you know, it's almost like when you get a fresh set of strings on it. There we go. There we go. Can you tell the difference between 432 hertz and 440 hertz? Here's 432. Supposedly 440 is a lot harsher. It's kind of like a taste test. It's a sound test. The one I'm playing here is 432. Okay, and we're back. So here's 440. Tell me if you can tell the difference between 440 and 432 hertz. feel like 432 is warmer. This 440, after playing in 432 for a while, it kind of seems like 440 is a little bit harsher. I don't know. What do you think? Could you tell the difference? This is 440.